A list of 50 important multiple choice questions, MCQs, based on the topic of abbreviations, especially related to general knowledge, GK, Unit 5, which might include various abbreviations relevant to government, organizations, technology, science, etc. 1. What does GDP stand for? A. Gross Domestic Product. B. General Development Plan. C. Gross Domestic Performance. D. General Domestic Product. Answer: A. Gross Domestic Product. 2. What is the full form of NATO? A. National Air Transport Organization. B. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. C. National Atlantic Treaty Office. D. North American Trade Organization. Answer: B. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. 3. UNICEF stands for: A. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. B. United Nations International Cultural Emergency Fund. C. United Nations International Child Education Fund. D. United Nations Indian Children's Emergency Fund. Answer: A. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. 4. The abbreviation WHO stands for: A. World Health Organization. B. World Humanitarian Organization. C. World Health Office. D. World Human Organization. Answer: A. World Health Organization. 5. What is the full form of NASA? A. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. B. National Aerodynamics and Space Agency. C. National Astronomical and Space Association. D. National Aeronautics and Satellite Agency. Answer: A. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. 6. OPEC stands for: A. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. B. Organization of Private Exporting Companies. C. Organization of Production Export Council. D. Oil Producers and Export Countries. Answer: A. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. 7. What does ASEAN represent? A. Association of Southeast Asian Nations. B. Association of South Asian Economic Nations. C. Alliance of Southeast Asian Nations. D. Association of South American Nations. Answer: A. Association of Southeast Asian Nations. 8. The abbreviation ATM means: A. Automated Teller Machine. B. Automatic Transfer Money. C. Advanced Teller Mechanism. D. Automated Transaction Machine. Answer: A. Automated Teller Machine. 9. ISRO stands for: A. Indian Space Research Organization. B. International Satellite Research Organization. C. Indian Scientific Research Organization. D. Institute of Space Research Operations. Answer: A. Indian Space Research Organization. 10. RBI stands for: A. Reserve Bank of India. B. Rural Bank of India. C. Railway Board of India. D. Regional Bank of India. Answer: A. 11. The full form of IMF is: A. International Monetary Fund. B. International Mining Fund. C. International Manufacturing Federation. D. International Medical Forum. Answer: A. International Monetary Fund. 12. WTO stands for: A. World Trade Organization. B. World Transport Organization. C. World Telecom Organization. D. World Tourism Organization. Answer: A. World Trade Organization. 13. What does FIFA stand for? A. Federation Internationale de Football Association. B. Federal Institute of Football Authority. C. Federation International Football Association. D. Football International Federation Association. Answer: A. Federation Internationale de Football Association. 14. CBI stands for: A. Central Bureau of Investigation. B. Central Bank of India. C. Certified Bureau of Investigation. D. Civil Bureau of Investigation. Answer: A. Central Bureau of Investigation. 15. SAARC stands for: A. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. B. South American Association for Regional Cooperation. C. Southeast Asian Association for Resource Cooperation. D. Southern Asia Association for Regional Collaboration. Answer: A. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. 16. The abbreviation LPG means: A. Liquefied petroleum gas. B. Liquid petroleum gas. C. Liquefied pressurized gas. D. Liquid pressured gas. Answer: A. Liquefied petroleum gas. 17. What is the full form of PAN? A. Permanent account number. B. Personal account number. C. Public account number. D. Private account number. Answer: A. Permanent account number. 18. The full form of VAT is: A. Value added tax. B. Value allocated tax. C. Value accounted tax. D. Verified added tax. Answer: A. Value added tax. 19. HTTP stands for: A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. B. Hyperterminal Transfer Protocol. C. Hypertext Translation Protocol. D. Hyperterminal Transmission Process. Answer: A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. 20. PDF stands for: A. Portable Document Format. B. Printable Document File. C. Portable Data Format. D. Published Data File. Answer: A. Portable Document Format. 21. SIM stands for: A. Subscriber Identity Module. B. Subscriber Information Module. C. Subscriber International Module. D. Subscriber Identification Mechanism. Answer: A. Subscriber Identity Module. 22. URL means: A. Uniform Resource Locator. B. Universal Resource Locator. C. Uniform Registered Locator. D. Universal Registered Locator. Answer: A. Uniform Resource Locator. 23. The full form of PIN is: A. Personal Identification Number. B. Private Information Number. C. Personal Internet Number. D. Public Identification Number. Answer: A. Personal Identification Number. 24. What does GPS stand for? A. Global Positioning System. B. Geographic Positioning Satellite. C. Global Position Satellite. D. Geographic Placement System. Answer: A. Global Positioning System. 25. ATM refers to: A. Automated Teller Machine. B. Automatic Transfer Money. C. Advanced Transaction Mechanism. D. Automated Transfer Module. Answer: A. Automated Teller Machine. 26. The full form of IFSC is: A. Indian Financial System Code. B. International Financial Security Code. C. International Financial System Code. D. Indian Fiscal Security Code. Answer: A. Indian Financial System Code. 27. What is the full form of BCCI? A. Board of Control for Cricket in India. B. Board for Control of Cricket in India. C. Board of Committee for Cricket in India. D. Board of Cricket Council in India. Answer: A. Board of Control for Cricket in India. 28. AI refers to: A. Artificial Intelligence. B. Automated Information. C. Automated Intelligence. D. Artificial Information. Answer: A. Artificial Intelligence. 29. The abbreviation VPN stands for: A. Virtual Private Network. B. Virtual Public Network. C. Virtual Personal Network. D. Virtual Permission Network. Answer: A. Virtual Private Network. 30. HTTP means: A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. B. Hypertext Transport Protocol. C. Hypertext Translation Protocol. D. Hyperterminal Transfer Protocol. Answer: A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. 31. The full form of CPU is: A. Central Processing Unit. B. Central Power Unit. C. Central Processing Utility. D. Control Processing Unit. Answer: A. Central Processing Unit. 32. HTML stands for: A. Hypertext Markup Language. B. Hypertool Markup Language. C. Hypertag Markup Language. D. Hypertext Meta Language. Answer: A. Hypertext Markup Language. 33. What does ROM stand for? A. Read-only memory. B. Random operated memory. C. Read offline memory. D. Random output memory. Answer: A. Read-only memory. 34. The full form of ICU is: A. Intensive Care Unit. B. Intensive Critical Unit. C. Integrated Care Unit. D. Intensive Care Unit. Answer: A. Intensive Care Unit. 35. USB stands for: A. Universal Serial Bus. B. Universal System Bus C. Universal Storage Bus D. Universal Service Bus Answer. A. Universal Serial Bus. 36. LED refers to A. Light emitting diode B. Low energy display C. Low emission diode D. Light enhanced display Answer. A. Light emitting diode. 37. The full form of URL is A. Uniform Resource Locator B. Universal Resource Locator C. Unified Resource Locator D. Uniform Registered Locator Answer. A. Uniform Resource Locator. 38. What is the full form of IT? A. Information Technology B. International Trade C. Information Transfer D. Intelligent Technology Answer. A. Information Technology. 39. ISACI stands for A. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India B. International Credit and Investment Corporation of India C. Indian Commercial and Industrial Credit Institute D. Indian Corporation for Investment and Credit Information Answer. A. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. 40. The full form of CCTV is A. Closed Circuit Television B. Common Circuit Television C. Control Circuit Television D. Central Circuit Television Answer. A. Closed Circuit Television. 41. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Processing Unit B. Control Processing Unit C. Central Power Unit D. Control Power Unit Answer. A. Central Processing Unit. 42. The full form of WLAN is A. Wireless Local Area Network B. Wired Local Area Network C. Wireless Long Area Network D. Wireless Local Access Network Answer. A. Wireless Local Area Network. 43. DNA refers to A. Deoxyribonucleic acid B. Deoxynucleic acid C. Deoxyribose nucleic acid D. Deoxynucleic acid Answer. A. Deoxyribonucleic acid. 44. The full form of AICTE is A. All India Council for Technical Education B. Advanced Institute for Computer Technology Education C. All India College for Technical Education D. Association of Indian Council for Technology Education Answer. A. All India Council for Technical Education. 45. WWW means A. World Wide Web B. World Web Wide C. Wide World Web D. Web Wide World Answer. A. World Wide Web. 46. PIN stands for A. Personal Identification Number B. Personal Information Number C. Private Identification Number D. Personal Internal Number Answer. A. Personal Identification Number. 47. The abbreviation PHP stands for A. Hypertext Preprocessor B. Personal Home Page C. Programmed Hypertext Processor D. Programmable Home Page Answer. A. Hypertext Preprocessor. 48. The full form of CEO is A. Chief Executive Officer B. Central Executive Officer C. Chief Economic Officer D. Central Economic Officer Answer. A. Chief Executive Officer. 49. What does CNG stand for? A. Compressed Natural Gas B. Concentrated Natural Gas C. Condensed Natural Gas D. Conjoined Natural Gas Answer. A. Compressed Natural Gas. 50. The full form of BSF is A. Border Security Force B. Basic Security Force C. Bureau of Security Force D. Border Safety Force Answer. A. Border Security Force. These MCQs can be used for competitive exams and general knowledge improvement.